Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, earlier IBPS clerk applications started, but they stopped due to some regional languages. They want to conduct this examination. So what government of India did, they stopped almost 1 month, and they now they've given one notification, that is revised one. See friends, in revised notification, nothing was changed. It is same only. It is earlier notification only. So nothing was changed. So whatever the age cutoff earlier it is there, same age cutoff only, and educational qualifications and remaining rest of all things are same only. Friends, see where we got this information from. uh, we got this information from new Hindu paper, friends. Hindu, they were given one news article in that it is there. So I will show you from when application will go into resume. This was I got it from Hindu newspaper, friends. So you can also get it from Hindu or today's paper only they have given. See friends, common recruitment process for recruitment of clerical in participating bank CRP 11. See friends, vacancies of 2022 and 2023. See friends, here online registration including edit and modification. See friends, here the online examination preliminary and main for next common recruitment process for selection of personnel for clerical cadre post in the participating banks is tentatively scheduled in December 2021 and in January 2022. See friends, tentative dates like this online earlier who submitted, and now it is again resumed from 7. So tomorrow onwards it will be resumed. IBPS clerk going to be activate this link by tomorrow. See friends, 7 to 27 you can apply, and who are applied earlier they have no need to apply again. They can do next step whatever they have done earlier. If you have application number, then you go through next one. So if you once registered, you got registered number means registration number means you can put it your registration number, and you can put your password and you can do it again. That same application you can process further. See friends, download for call letter pre-examination training, it will be in November, and conducted that is PET pre-examination training, it will be in November only. And download call letter for preliminary examination, it is November or December. See friends, online examination for preliminary, it is December. And see friends, result for online preliminary examination, it is December or January first week. And call letter for mains, it will be in December itself, or they will going to announce in January. See friends, provisional allotment, it will be every year on 1st of April. 1st of April everywhere. So this year also IBPS planning for April 2022 first. See friend, some of the important things here. In case it is possible and safe for hold PET, they will conduct PET in a normal way. Otherwise, they will conduct in online case. Candidates are advised to regularly keep in touch with the authorized IBPS website www.ibps.in for details and updates. See friends, here one more important point it is the candidates who have already registered successfully this process during July 12 to 14 2021 need not apply again. Their earlier application will be considered for further process. So who applied earlier, they need not to apply again. See friends, here before register, online candidates are advised to read and detail notification carefully and follow the instruction mentioned therein. Okay, whatever the, see friends, revised notification not yet they've given. So but tomorrow we going to see whether they will give revised notifications or not. So tomorrow by even tomorrow morning itself they're going to enable link for IBPS clerk. This is very good news for all banking aspirants. Thank you friends, thank you for your support. Take care. Bye friends.